Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen and welcome to part 3 of my Explore ELLEN WILLE series. This has been so much fun. If you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, they are posted already, of course, on my YouTube channel, so be sure to check those out. I have a few more to show you today, and just like the other videos, it's going to work the same way. All the links to any reviews I have done will be in the drop-down box below this video. So this is not a wig review. I'm just going to show you these styles, these beautiful ELLEN WILLE styles, and if you want to see full reviews, look in the drop down box below this video. Now all of these wigs are from wigstudio1.com. I either purchased them with my own funds or they were provided to me for previous review. So let's get started and look at ELLEN WILLE. Okay, this is Icone in Champagne Rooted. I have enjoyed this wig. I like the style of this. I like the layering around the face. Now, like on all the other videos, I'm going to discuss how these fit on me. As you know, ELLEN WILLE is known for having petite average sizes, but there are some of these that average size can wear in larger sizes. Like I said previously, I have friends with 21.75 inch heads all the way to 23, and they wear some ELLEN WILLE styles. So they are for everyone. I want to make sure you know that. Also, I have a 21.25 inch head circumference, so if that helps you, this fit me perfectly. This has a hand-tied cap and a lace front, partially hand-tied cap. And when I say that, I mean the back of the cap of this is wefted, but it is covered with the mesh fabric. If you want to see that, like I said, I have videos below that show color, cap construction, outdoor lighting, everything you need to know. But this is a beautiful wig. Has a nice rooting, not overdone in any way. A gorgeous hand-tied cap, like I said, and look at this beautiful lace front. So well done. Really a beautiful style. Icone. This is Queen Comfort in Caramel Rooted. I just took the tags off of this right before I started filming. I have repurchased this I don't know how many times. This is a hand-tied cap. I will tell you, this fits me snug. Again, I have a 21.25 inch head circumference, so I do not think this would work for much larger head size than mine. But beautiful, of course, hand-tied cap from ELLEN WILLE, lace front, super low density, easy to wear, beautiful. Like I said, this just came out of the box. I have it in several colors. I think it just works. These layers are perfect around the face. Wear it on or off your face. Check out Queen Comfort. This is Talent Mono in Sandy Blonde Rooted. One of my favorites. Again, this has a wefted cap with a mono top, lace front. Now, this fit me quite large. I have pulled the adjusters in on this one. I just think this is so pretty, the way this falls right at the top of your shoulders. Lots of layering, really feminine, beautiful flow on this wig. This color is so beautiful. This is Shuffle in Pastel Blonde Mix. Okay, this fit me very snug. Just to let you know that it has a lace front and a mono part on this one. Really pretty. Now, lots of layers again. I enjoy these wigs that hit just right here below your neck. It's a nice length. It's not too long, but it gives you just a little length that you can play with this. You can pull this back easily. It's versatile in that way. And no rooting. If you're looking for a really blonde that does not have any rooting, you might check out this color. This is Code Mono in Sand Mix. This fit me very large. This has a mono part and a lace front. Now this is much much more hair than I would wear in length. This is very long. However, like I've told you before, I love these wigs for ponytails. This is perfect for that. So if you're looking for something a little longer that you'd like to wear back, have a look at Code Mono. This is Promise in Pearl Blonde Rooted. Now, this is a double mono top. It fits me perfectly. I've not had to do any adjustment. There's a lace front, of course. It is wefted, that is covered, the wefts that are covered with the mesh. Again, I have a video on this, so if you want to see the inside of the cap. Now, this is one of their blends, part human hair and heat-friendly synthetic. I think they do a beautiful job with these wigs. You get the best of both worlds. This reacts like synthetic, meaning you can wash it, it's going to go right back to its shape, but it has the look and feel of human hair. There's no shine here. So this really looks like a human hair wig. If you're looking for one of these blends, look at the Ellen Willes. This is Smoke High and Caramel Rooted. This is another one I have repurchased time and time again. Just a perfect length, nice layering as you see around the face. I think that's very flattering for most face shapes. There is a mono part and a lace front here. Beautiful fibers, super low density. This fit me perfectly. I did not have to make any adjustments at all. And again, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. You can put some styling product in here and really piece this out if you want. This one is brand new. I just took the tags off of it this morning. So I will put a little bit of dry shampoo to take this shine down just a little, just the way I like to do it. This is a beautiful style. This is United in Caramel Rooted. Another one of these bobs, nice length, lots of layers. This one has more of a long sweeping bang, which I think is pretty. It has a mono part and a lace front. I did not adjust this one either. It was a perfect fit for me. Lots of beautiful layering here. Again, I think they just do a beautiful job of layering these around the face. This one comes just chin level here. My face is 9 inches from hairline to chin, so you know that. Super low density. Really nice, a beautiful color. You know, I show a lot of these blonde styles because, like I said, I purchased these with my own funds. So I'm going to buy what I'm going to wear. And I tend to gravitate towards the blondes in these styles. So that's why you see a lot of caramel rooted, sandy blonde rooted. Those are just some of my favorite colors in Ellen Wille. This is a newer style from Ellen Wille. This is Esprit and Champagne Rooted. Now, if you watch my videos, you know I have fallen in love with these beachy wave styles. What I really like about this is it's a shorter one. You can still get the fun beachy waves, but you might not like the longer styles. So if you're looking for something a little shorter, but still the fun beachy waves, have a look at this one. It has an interesting cap. This has a mono part and a lace front. It is partially hand-tied, again, wefting in the back that is covered. If you want to see the inside of the cap, just click in the drop down box and my video will be down there. This is a perfect fit. I did not do any adjustment to this. Beautiful Ellen Wille lace front as always. They did a beautiful job on this wig. Check out Esprit. Okay, that is the end of part 3 of my Explore Ellen Wille series. I hope you have enjoyed this. I have had so much fun making this series for you and showing you these beautiful styles. Ellen Wille really does a nice job on their styles. On their hand-tied caps are gorgeous. Their density is beautiful. These are workhorses of wigs. I've had some of these for years and they still look great. So if you haven't tried them, I would encourage you to do so. Make sure you look at a lot of videos about fit, depending on your head circumference, to see how things will fit on you. And I hope you will give these a try. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at CrazyWigLady, and please like my Facebook page at CrazyWigLady. I have completely different content on those other social media platforms. Again, thank you so much. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.